How to clean. Today I'm going to show you guys a handful of different unconventional ways to clean using just a dishwasher tab. The first one here, cleaning your glass oven door. I have a whole video on this. If you want to see it, I will link it down below. All we're going to do is just dunk our dishwasher tab in the water here to kind of activate it. Start scrubbing away. And you can kind of see what it's pulling off of the door here. But this works really well because it's just a little bit abrasive. It kind of helps get all of the splatter and everything off. Dishwasher tabs naturally have a degreaser element in them to obviously get that kind of greasy stuff off of your dishes in the dishwashing process. So it works really well for any type of degreaser that you would really need them for. And then I'm just periodically dumping it back into my little cup of water there as needed. I'm going to take just a regular dishwash towel and just wipe off the residue. And just like that, your oven glass door is clean. The second one here is actually you can throw about 4 of these at a time into your washer, and you can use it to deep clean your washer. Like I said, it has degreasing. It's obviously going to remove any stains, odors, anything like that, which is good for your washing machine. You can also take these little dishwasher tabs. They're really good for removing the soap scum that gets built up here on the side of your washer doors. And you do the same thing kind of on the oven doors. You sit there and kind of scrub it away. Grab a towel, rinse it off, and it'll be all good to go. When it comes to washing them in your washer to clean your washer, throw 4 of them in at a time. Set your washer on the hottest setting and the longest setting. And go ahead and start it like a normal load of laundry and your washer. I've got this little spray bottle here that I just filled with a little bit of water, and I've got my dishwasher tab in the bottom of this, and it's going to dissolve into the water. And the whole thing is a whole degreaser. It's soap. It works well. If you throw it in with water in an old squirt bottle, you can use it as a degreaser, and this works great to clean off your stovetop. We've got some hard stains here from dinner last night. And it took it right out. You can use this exact same mixture here to clean off the inside of your microwave, inside your oven, your fridge, whatever it is. Just go ahead and spray it down. And those are just some of the ways you can use a dishwasher tab to clean your entire house, which is super cool. It's so cost efficient and pretty nifty when you can find new ways to use products that they're not really intended to be used for, you know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some of the videos I'll leave linked down below for you, and I'll see you guys in my next one.